Did you know that in the 14th century, people believed that sneezing was a sign of impending death? This came about during the time of the Black Plague in Europe. Imagine everyone around you grabbing their lucky charms every time you let out a sneeze. The Pope even decreed, "God bless you," to ward off evil. As if that wasn't strange enough, people also carried nosegays, small bunches of fragrant flowers, to shield themselves from the death-bringing odors. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're just warding off evil spirits. What's the strangest remedy or superstition you've heard?